Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hi, everyone. It is so wonderful to be here with you today. I am very, very happy to talk to our listeners again.
I am happy too, Paul. You look good today. How are you feeling?
I am okay. A little tired, maybe. My eyes are a little small today, but I am happy to be here.
Oh, Paul, why are you tired? Is it the morning?
No, it is the afternoon, but I had a very busy morning. Work is very busy this week. Whew.
I understand. Work can be hard sometimes, but don't worry. We are going to have a fun chat today. And you, everyone at home, welcome.
Yes, welcome. We are so glad you are here to learn English with us.
Before we start our conversation, we have a small favor. If you like our podcast, please click the like button right now.
Yes, it helps us a lot. And please subscribe to Mr. English Channel. We want to make many, many podcasts for you.
And share this with your friends. If you have a friend who wants to practice English, send this to them. It is good to learn together.
That is a great idea. Okay, Emily, I am ready. No more tired, Paul. Now I am happy, Paul.
That is the spirit. So, Paul, you said work is busy. What happened?
Oh, Emily, we had a meeting yesterday. A very, very long meeting.
Oh, no. I do not like long meetings. Was it 1 hour?
1 hour? No, it was 3 hours.
3 hours? Wow, Paul, that is a long time to sit in a chair.
Yes, 3 hours of talking about numbers and reports. My boss, Mr. Henderson, wants a new report, a big report.
Is it for next month?
No, no, it is for Friday, and today is Tuesday. It is very fast.
Friday? Oh my goodness, that is why you are tired. Are you good with numbers, Paul?
No, Emily, I am terrible with numbers. I like words. I like talking. But math, adding and subtracting, it is very boring for me.
Me too. I am very bad at math. I always use a calculator for everything, even small things.
I know, me too. And my team, we are all a little stressed.
Stressed? Is there a problem?
Well, you know my colleague, Tom?
Yes, I know Tom. He's very tall and very funny. He tells good jokes.
Yes, that is him. But he talks a lot. And there's a new girl, Sarah. She is very quiet and very focused.
Oh, I see. Tom talks and Sarah works?
Exactly. And they must work together on this big report. Yesterday, Sarah was very sad.
Oh, no. Why was she sad?
I think Tom talked too much. Sarah said Tom is difficult. She looked very down.
That is hard. I do not like work problems. It is important to be friends at work.
I agree. I want everyone to be happy. I sit between them, Emily. It is a very quiet desk right now.
Oh, Paul, you are in the middle of the war.
Yes. Today at lunch, I ate alone. Usually I eat with Tom, but Tom ate at his desk, and Sarah ate at her desk. It was too quiet.
I have an idea. You are a very kind person, Paul. Maybe you can help them.
Really? How? I'm not the boss.
No, but you are a friend. What do people love? What makes people happy?
Sleep?
Well, yes, but at work? Coffee, Paul. Coffee and cookies.
Ah, Emily, you are a genius. Coffee.
Yes, go to that coffee shop on the corner, the one with the green sign.
The coffee stop. I love their coffee.
Yes, go there tomorrow morning. Buy a big coffee for Sarah and a big coffee for Tom.
And the cookies?
Yes, they have those big chocolate cookies. Buy 2.
That is a perfect plan. A coffee and a cookie for everyone.
People cannot be angry when they are eating a chocolate cookie. It is impossible.
You are right. I will do that at 10 a.m. tomorrow, before lunch.
Good, it is a peace coffee. I hope they talk and smile again.
Me too. I want a happy office. It makes the day go faster.
It does. Well, good luck with the numbers and the cookies, Paul.
Thank you. But okay, enough about my boring report. Emily, you said you were very happy today. Why?
Oh, Paul, I have the best news.
Tell me. I love good news.
My best friend Maria, you remember Maria?
Yes, Maria. She is very fun. She has the long black hair and the big laugh, right?
Yes, that's her. Well, Maria is getting married.
What? Wow, that is fantastic. Married? When did she tell you?
She told me last night. I am so excited for her.
That is wonderful. Who is the lucky man?
His name is Leo. He is very nice. He is a doctor.
A doctor. Very good. Is he funny like Tom?
No, he is a little quiet, but he is very kind. And their story is so funny, Paul.
Oh? How did they meet? At a party?
No, they met at the supermarket.
The supermarket? Really? Between the bread and the milk?
Almost. Maria was buying apples, red apples, and Leo was buying oranges.
Apples and oranges. Okay.
Maria dropped her bag of apples. They went everywhere, on the floor, under the carts, everywhere.
Oh no, that is embarrassing.
It was, but Leo saw her. He didn't just look. He got on the floor and helped her pick up every apple.
Aw, that is very sweet, like a movie.
Yes, and then he looked at her and said, "Your apples are very red."
Your apples are red? That is a very strange thing to say.
I know, but Maria laughed. She thought it was cute. Then they had coffee and now a wedding.
Wow, I love that. A supermarket love story.
Me too. The wedding is next month.
Next month? That is very soon, Emily.
I know, it is very fast. And it is a garden wedding.
A garden? With flowers and trees? That sounds beautiful.
Yes, but Paul, I am stressed now.
Stressed? Why? It is a wedding.
I need a dress. I have nothing to wear.
Oh, I see. The dress problem.
Yes, shopping is fun, but it is hard. I don't know what color to buy.
What colors do you like?
I love blue. Blue is my favorite, but Maria loves green. Maybe I should wear a green dress for her?
Well, a green dress in a garden, you will look like a tree.
Paul, that is not nice.
I'm joking. Green is very pretty. But what about your eyes? Your eyes are blue.
They are.
Then wear a blue dress. It will look perfect with your eyes. A long blue dress.
A long dress? Do you think so?
Yes, a garden wedding is elegant. A long dress is very special.
Okay, a long blue dress. But Paul, there is another problem.
More problems?
Shoes. I cannot wear high heels in a garden.
Why not?
Because of the grass. The heels go into the grass and you can't walk. You get stuck.
Oh, I didn't think about that. Yes, that is a problem. You don't want to fall down at the wedding.
Exactly. So I need flat shoes.
Flat shoes are good. They're comfortable. You can dance all night.
You are right. So a long blue dress and silver flat shoes.
Silver? Oh, that sounds very fancy.
And a small silver bag.
Look at you. You have a plan now. You are not stressed anymore.
You are right. Talking to you helps a lot. I will go to the mall on Saturday.
The big mall?
Yes, they have many shops. But I have one more small problem.
Emily, you have many problems today.
Yeah, last one, I promise. I am short, Paul. You know this.
You are not that short.
I am. Long dresses are always too long for me. They touch the floor. I look like I'm wearing a tent.
Ah, I understand. You need what is the word? A person who fixes clothes.
A tailor.
Yes, a tailor. You can buy the dress and take it to a tailor. They can make it shorter.
Yes, that is a great idea. I will do that. Saturday is shopping day.
And Friday is boring report day for me.
We have very different weeks, Paul. My week is about weddings and dresses, and your week is about numbers and angry colleagues.
It's okay. Friday night will be good.
What are you doing on Friday night? Are you going to a party?
No parties for me. After the report is finished, I am going home.
And?
I am going to put on my blue pajamas, my very comfortable blue pajamas.
Blue pajamas to match my dress?
Yes, and I am going to sit on my big red sofa.
That sounds very relaxing. Are you going to cook?
No way. I am going to order a pizza, a big pepperoni pizza.
Pizza. I love pizza. I like cheese pizza. Just cheese. Lots of cheese.
Pepperoni is better, but okay, cheese is fine too. And then I am going to watch a movie, a funny movie, a comedy.
That is the perfect way to end a busy week. You need to laugh.
I do. And what about you? What are you doing after shopping on Saturday?
Saturday night, I am meeting Maria. We're going to have dinner.
To talk about the wedding?
Yes, the wedding, the dress, the flowers, everything.
Where are you going?
To Luigi's, the Italian restaurant.
Oh, I love their pasta. Their tomato sauce is the best.
It is. We go there all the time. It is our favorite place.
So I have pizza and you have pasta. We really like Italian food, Emily.
We do. It is the best food in the world.
I agree. Wow, Emily, we talked a lot today.
We did. Time flies when we are having a good conversation.
It does. I feel much better now. Talking to a friend is the best medicine.
It is. I am happy you feel better, and I hope Tom and Sarah feel better tomorrow, too.
Me too. The coffee and cookie plan starts tomorrow at 10 a.m.
Perfect. Well, I think we should remind our friends about what we talked about today.
Oh, yes, a quick recap.
We talked about work. Paul has a very big report with many numbers. It is very boring, but he is almost finished.
Yes, and we talked about work friends. It is important to be kind. I'm going to buy coffee and cookies for my colleagues to help them be happy.
That is a great tip for everyone. And then we talked about my happy news. My friend Maria is getting married to Leo.
The supermarket doctor.
Yes, and I am going shopping for a long blue dress and silver flat shoes because heels in the grass are a bad idea.
Very bad. And we talked about our weekend plans. Pizza, pajamas, and pasta.
It sounds like a great week.
It really does. Thank you, Emily. This was fun.
Thank you, Paul, and thank you to everyone for listening to us today.
Yes, thank you. We love having you here. Before you go, please don't forget to subscribe to Mr. English channel.
And give us a like if you enjoyed our chat. It means a lot to us.
And we have a question for you today. Please leave a comment below.
Yes, tell us, what is your favorite food? Do you like pizza or pasta or something else?
Or tell us about your work. Do you have a Tom or a Sarah at your office?
Yes, we want to know. We love reading your comments. It is great English practice for you.
It is. Well, I think that is all for today.
Yes, have a wonderful day, everyone.
See you in the next episode.
Bye for now.
Bye-bye.